Hey everyone! So wanted to do a quick video to show you guys the best way how to name your rentals. So been meaning to do this video for a while, but you got a new unit. It's a Jurassic unit. So you would call it Jurassic Park. Do you call it Dinosaur Combo? Do you call it Dino? What do you call it? You got a circus unit. Do more people search circus or carnival? What themes are people looking for, right? So you buy this stuff. You don't want to name it something that makes sense to you. You want to name it something that makes sense for everybody else. So rather than just kind of form our own opinions, if you go to Google Ads and you don't have to, I don't believe you have to be running Google Ads, but you get better results if you are running Google Ads. You're going to click on Tools and Settings, and then you're going to go to Keyword Planner, and that takes you to the Keyword Planner here. So you click on Discover New Keywords, and you can type in, for example, the different things you want to try. So Dino Bounce House, Dinosaur, I can never spell Bounce House, Bounce House, Jurassic Bounce House. So these are the three different options I'm considering naming my new unit, right? And I'm going to go ahead and hit Get Results. And before I do that, I'm going to change it to my area because it differs from area to area. So you just want to put your general area. So I got here like Chicago area. I'm going to go and check out these results here. So average monthly searches, Dino Jump Bounce House is the top search in my area. Dino Bounce House. When there's not many results, it'll just show 10. So what you may have to do is make the area larger. Let's see, like the Chicago metro area. That makes a difference. There you go. Okay, see, now we're getting different results. So Dinosaur Bounce House gets, on average, in the Chicagoland area, 50 searches a month. Dino Jump House gets 30. Dino Bounce House gets 20. So Jurassic Bounce House, which is actually, interestingly, the manufacturer that I bought this unit from was actually called Jurassic Bounce House. So had I just went with what the manufacturer called it, I would get basically 20% of the searches that I could be by going with Dinosaur Bounce House. So definitely use this unit. Dinosaur Bounce House is what I should name this unit. And that's really the best way to do it, guys. So somebody was asking, Nick Glassett was asking, dual lane, double lane, two lane, what do you call it? This was a little bit tough, but let's see. Dual lane slide, two lane slide, double lane slide, dual lane water slide, two lane water slide, and double lane water slide. So this one is misspelled here. All right, let's see what we get. Get results. And we got 10s all the way down. So let's go ahead and make the area larger. Let's go with the whole United States. See what we get. There we go. So Double Crop Raceway, double lane water slide is the top search. That's the winner. Double lane water slide gets more searches than dual lane water slide and two lane water slide. So there's your answer, Nick. Double lane water slide wins. Data, guys. Don't go in with just your opinions, but highly recommend that you guys do this with any unit that you're going to go ahead and answer. I recently got from Corona Bounce. Love this unit here. Let's go. This one. Is it a circus? Is it a carnival? Big top? What do I call it? Right? So this is the one that I named Dinosaur Bounce House. Circus, carnival, bounce house rental. So let's just see. I don't even know if I looked this one up yet. So are more people looking for circus, bounce house, or carnival, bounce house? I haven't even named this one yet. Big top is what I've seen it called, bounce house. This is in the whole United States, but let's see what we get. All right, so more people are looking carnival bounce house versus circus bounce house. Carnival bounce house gets on average 170 searches a month. Circus bounce house gets 110 searches a month. So big difference, guys. Good for your SEO, good for your search volume. Don't leave any money on the table. Hope this helps. You guys enjoy your weekend.